Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. There are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters, emojis and math questions. In this video, total 40 questions. Time limit 10 seconds for each puzzle. Every correct answer equal to 1 point. Thanks for sharing your score and feedback on the previous video. We have truly appreciate your support. Now, are you ready for this challenge? Let's begin with some easy level. Guys, can you find the hidden number like 94? Correct. This one is the hidden number like 94. Boost your brain IQ. Find the odd mango ice cream within time. Good job. This one is the odd mango ice cream. Letter focus test. Find the odd letter like YT. Super fine. This one is the odd letter like YT. Number Puzzle Pro can find the odd letter within time. Yes, you are a number ninja master. You find it the odd number. Can you find the odd caramel truffle within time? Fantastic work. This one is the odd caramel truffle. Can you spot the hidden digit like 2U? Good job. You find it the imposter letter within time. Are you a puzzle master? Then find the number 72. Amazing work. This one is the odd number. Super fast eyes can find the odd chocolate ice cream within time. Your eyes is so fast, you find it the odd one. Math Challenge Pro, can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? Yes, you find it the correct answer like 22. Extreme number challenge. Can you find the camouflage number like 53? Super job. You find the odd camouflage number. Easy level done. Medium level start. Can you find the cigarette odd letter like KOO? perfect spot, you find the odd letter. Emoji eye test, find the odd nut cookie. Your choice is right, you find it the odd nut cookie. Number search game, can you find the odd number like 360? Good job, you find the odd number within time. Alphabet IQ test, find the odd letter like OTP. Amazing work, this one is the odd letter. Emoji vision test, find the odd soft ice cream within 10 seconds. Your vision is very fast, you find it the soft ice cream. Are you smart? Then find the odd number within time. Yes, you find the odd number within time. Another exciting math challenge. Can you solve these math quiz within 10 seconds? Yes, you are right. 12 is the correct answer. Find the watermelon ice cream before the time's end. Yes, you find it before the time's end. Test your observation skill. Find the odd number. Yes, you did it. You find the odd number. Can you pick the odd letter like LOE? Awesome! You pick the odd letter within time. Brand versus emoji challenge. Can you find the odd ice cream within 10 seconds? Yes, brand wins and find the odd ice cream. Speed number challenge. Find the strange number like 600. Excellent! This one is the odd strange number. Only letter hunter can spot the letter J, K, T. Yes, you find it like a hunter. Ice cream lover, can you find the hot chocolate ice cream within time? You are a puzzle master, you find it before the time's end. Impossible to find the odd number within 10 seconds. I know this one impossible, but you find it within time. Can you find the rule breaker letter like A, H, T? I know you have a sharp eyes, you find the odd rule breaker letter. General knowledge quiz. What is the most popular ice cream flavor worldwide? Yes, vanilla is the most popular ice cream flavor. Can you beat this number puzzle within 10 seconds? Your IQ is very sharp, you find it. Can you spot the odd letter like B, O, Y? Yes, you spot the odd letter within time. Only genius can find the unique number like 570. Perfect spot, you find the unique number within time. Medium level done, hard level start. Only eagle eyes can find the odd pineapple ice cream within 10 seconds. Yes, you find it the odd pineapple within time. Only sharp eyes can find the odd number within 10 seconds. Can you find the odd letter within time? So far you find the odd letter within time. Brain IQ find the odd number. Challenge puzzle. Can you find the odd letter within time? 99% failed to find the odd raspberry ice cream within time. Amazing work, you find it the odd ice cream. Visual Eyes Challenge, find the odd number within 10 seconds. Brain Booster, can you find the odd letter within time? Can you find the different number within 10 seconds? The last one, can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? The right answer give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters, emojis and math questions? And subscribe the channel.